Do I need a contract? Yes. A contract is an agreement between somebody who is providing something to another party and the other party is providing a consideration, as it's called in law, which in the case of freelance workers is money, your fee. The contract doesn't have to be written down. A verbal agreement, which is struck up even on the telephone between two people, can be held to be a legally binding contract at law, but it's a lot easier if the contract is written down and is agreed before you start doing whatever service you're offering. You should make sure in the contract that you've got clauses to do with payment, in other words, when will you get paid, and a clause to do with termination of the contract and specifying how much you will receive from the engager if they terminate the contract earlier. You'll also need various clauses to define what it is you're doing and exactly how much you do intend to receive as a fee. We get a lot of cases where people start jobs without contracts, and it's endemic in the industry that people will expect to get the contract at some point whilst actually doing the job. To prevent the problem of late contracts, what you should do is to send your engager an email outlining exactly what you've discussed on the phone and exactly what it is you're planning to do. That will prove that there was a contract in force when you started, and it can be a very helpful legal tool if, for example, you're going after money that doesn't get paid. So yes, you need a contract. It doesn't have to be written down, but it's much better if you get a written contract before you start the job.